Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well. Today in this video I will show you some beautiful designs and pattern of crochet bookmarkers, as they are functional and decorative accessories used to mark your place in a book. Like these markers are typically made using crochet techniques, creating small and lightweight designs that can easily be inserted into the pages of book. So crochet bookmarkers come in a variety of shapes, sizes and designs, allowing you to personalize them to your preferences. They can feature intricate patterns by vibrant colors or cute embellishment that add a touch of whimsy and charm to your reading experience. So keeping your place like very attractive and easily pick up where you left off without having to flip through the pages. So you can easily mark the pages by different colors of crochet bookmarkers, and they are very handy. Like crochet bookmarkers are often handmade, adding a unique and special touch to your reading accessories. They make great gift for book lovers or can be a satisfying crochet project for yourself, and they can be used for various types of books including novels, textbooks, journals and more. They are suitable for both adults and children and can be easily transported wherever you go. So if you are a reader and love to read, but also a fun and creative way to enhance your reading experience, so whether you are an avid reader or looking for a thoughtful gift, a crochet bookmarker can be a delightful addition to your reading routine, or you can even gift it to someone else because it will be made with your hand and your emotions will add to it, and when you give it to someone else, someone will definitely like it. So if you are planning to run a small business, I would definitely recommend you guys to introduce these crochet bookmarkers into your big business because they are very friendly, handy, and they are very cute. So yeah, that's all. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel and share for more, and don't forget to press the bell icon button. Thank you.